Hi, this is Healthy Back Girl. My name is Kamala. Yes, that's my real name. And this channel is about alternative and natural ways to heal back pain. And up until now, I've just been doing videos, with little moves and stretches to get some back pain relief and some tips on how to feel better. But now I kind of want to get into a whole new level of things. I want to start a whole series. The first part will be about cleansing. Now, cleansing is necessary in this because you need to flush out toxins. You need to get rid of all the things that are gunking up your body so that your body can repair itself. Two, I'm going to talk about nutrition. You need to know what foods to eat, what to drink, what things to put into your body to get the tissues, the muscles, the bones to repair. Three, there will be a section about the physiotherapy, physical therapy, and other things like massages and acupuncture, things like that have to do with that physical aspect of getting your body better. The fourth thing will be about maintaining your regular everyday life, what to use, what things to support your back, your body, what to do when you're at work, what to do at home. There's going to be a whole series on that. And the fifth part will be the mindset that you need in order to go through the whole process so that you understand and know that you're going to get better. You have to believe that you're going to get better, and you have to know that it's a consistent thing that you need to do. So I am really excited to get this started. Watch out for the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be putting out new videos on those things. And please subscribe to the channel so that you could get notified as to when I put things out and you could get started on those. By the way, I have a free checklist, like a little chart of some of the things that you do need that are like basic everyday things, and it's in the description. There's a link that you can press and it's completely free. Okay. I will come up with other free things to post down there in the link for you guys so that you could have that and use that while you're watching the videos. Just a little bit about me so that you can understand where I'm coming from with all these videos. Years ago, I had an incident where I fell down and it kind of loosened things up in my back and I had to go figure out what was going on with me. And so fast forward a couple years later, I found out that whatever was going on, I could just keep going as if nothing actually happened. That was my mistake because it just reoccurred. The incident that happened because I didn't do the proper things. I just went to physical therapy here and there. I didn't take it seriously. It just, whatever else happened in the future just made things worse. As you get older, things just get worse. So I ended up collapsing in the bathtub, and that was it for me. I think that was when I realized, okay, this is serious. I need to really figure something out and get myself together. So that's how I developed the system. I listened to the doctors, I followed physical therapy, and I did a lot of research on what I need to eat, what I need to do in order to maintain my body. I figured out what tools I needed, what products to get, what herbs to take, what to drink. I figured out all these things, and I learned what to do while I went to work and while I bend, while I lift, what to do when I travel, what to do when I'm home. So I just want to let you guys know that I want to share those things with you so that it can help anybody out there that's still struggling with their back pain and still, either you're just not sure what to do or you feel like everything that you're doing is not really working. Maybe it's just how you're going about it, okay? So I hope these videos will help you, and you can always leave comments if you want me to answer any questions. Join the Healthy Back Girl private Facebook group where I post more content, and there's a community of people with back issues like you. Also, it would really mean a lot to me if you would support the channel by using the donation link below.